Hi guys, this is an air compressor that I picked up from scrap metal a few months ago for $30. It was in very bad shape, had water all through the system and lots of oil through the system, dirty oil, and it was just all around crappy. It was also on a crappy wooden frame. So as soon as I got it, I stripped everything and I cleaned everything up, and I also built a new frame out of steel and put 4 caster wheels on it in each corner. Got a new belt and that's all. And all new gaskets, and that's about all that's new apart from the bolts and wheels. I'm probably going to get a new air hose and air gun. I'll show you the air gun. It's pretty ancient. The whole thing is ancient. So it's like that. It connects on, and then it just has that button that you press. And this hose is actually 2 hoses. It connects there and it goes there. And then for the motor, it's got the cable, and it's also got a connection in the back. And it was cut a bit, so I had to put a bit of electric tape over it. The belt seems a bit loose when it's running because the rubber mount on the motor is getting really yuck. Like, it's deteriorated over time and is pretty much stuffed. I can move it quite a lot because of that rubber has just gone yuck. But as it can pivot a lot, like move around a lot for adjustment of the belt, because it's got all 4 of the holes are like that, and the plate that it sits on, it's got a very large hole on each 4 of the holes. The pressure gauge is here. Right now it's on about 90 psi. And I also primed everything with spray paint, and then I painted it Brunswick green, and yeah, it looks really nice. Gives it a nice vintage look. The compressor unit has two pistons, and this is where it connects to go to the tank, but I don't know what this side's for. It's just open there, and it's just screwed on, and then this side's screwed on, then it goes to the tank, so I have no idea what this is for. It's just sitting there. I don't even think it's blocked in there or anything, but it doesn't leak any air, so yeah. With the motor, I've got the specs on it. It reads the English Electric Co Limited London, AC motor, single phase, frame MS 5115, I don't know what that is. It's 1/4 of a horsepower at 1425 RPM, 50 cycles, about 250 volts, rating is continuous, and its serial number is FEE012479998, I think it says, and it was made in Great Britain. yeah, it's very nice, and I reckon it may be worth a lot, quite a bit. And it's the motor is it can't really push it, like when it gets to about 120 psi, it just stops. Thanks for watching.